YouTube TV black screen got you feeling like this? Let's fix it in 60 seconds. First, check your internet connection. A weak signal is the most common culprit. Restart your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it, waiting 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Next, force close the YouTube TV app on your device. On most phones, you can swipe up from the bottom and swipe away the YouTube TV app. On smart TVs, look for an option in the settings menu to force stop the app. Then, clear the app's cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing problems. The location of this setting varies by device, but it's usually in the app settings. Now, check for updates to the YouTube TV app. Outdated software can cause issues. Head to the Google Play Store or App Store and see if there's an update available. Finally, if all else fails, perform a power cycle on your streaming device or smart TV. Unplug it from the power outlet for a full minute, then plug it back in. And that's it. You should be back to enjoying your favorite shows. If the problem persists, contact YouTube TV support for further assistance.